So I'm in this house that's being built, and you're probably thinking, it's brand new. What could be wrong? Well, let me tell you. The National Association of Realtors did this study. Turns out 65% of people who get new homes inspected find problems. And I've seen some crazy stuff myself. Plumbing hooked up backwards, missing insulation, electricity that's not quite right. See, all this in a couple weeks. It's all gonna be hidden behind drywall. And if there's a problem back there, you won't know it until it costs a lot of money to fix. New or old, doesn't matter. Get your home inspected. It's the biggest purchase you'll make, right? So protect it. At InterNACHI, well, that's what we're all about. We train home inspectors to catch this stuff early so you can sleep at night. New construction isn't perfect construction, but hey, at least you can catch the problems before they're buried behind the walls. To find a home inspector in your area, visit nachi.org.